how to buy crypto on Bitget app with your credit or debit card or an e-wallet. So in order to buy crypto on Bitget with the credit or debit card, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Bitget application. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page what you have to do is you just have to go to the assets section, and here you could go and press on buy, or you could just click on spot. So as you click on add funds, then you have to go ahead and select buy crypto. So you need to go and press on buy credit card, or you need to buy with the credit card, whatever, and enter the exact amount of crypto that you want and click the buy button. Select the network type, all of that, and you need to go ahead and follow the steps, and by following the steps you should be able to buy crypto on Bitget app with credit or debit card. So by following the steps you should be able to buy crypto on Bitget app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.